Let me tell you about my favorite part of Canva, the image adjustment tools. I used to struggle with making my photos look just right in Canva, but with latest updates, now I feel like a pro. Let me walk you through how you can improve and adjust your images with just few clicks. Start by opening your image in Canva. Click on it and you will see a button called Edit Photo or Edit Image in the bar above it. Now, here is where it gets interesting. When you click on the button, it will open a left sidebar. Here, you get an option called Adjust. This is your control center for making your photos better, where you can use the Auto Adjust option, which employs AI to analyze your image and enhance its colors and sharpness. It doesn't offer much control. Speaking of options, let me share my favorite trick, the background and the foreground adjustments. This is the latest addition to Canva, where AI is used to separate the main object from the background, allowing you to adjust both separately. So if you want to make your subject pop, like they are jumping out of the photo, click on background. Wait a few seconds and scroll down to clarity or sharpness and dial it down a bit. It's like adding a beautiful blur that makes your background fade away. Of course, you can also play with the foreground the same way. Click on foreground, bump up the sharpness just a little and watch your subject come to life. Now, let's play with colors. You've got some cool tools to play with. There is brightness, contrast, highlights and shadows. Think of these as your photos makeup kit. They help enhance what's already there. Need more punch? Crank up the vibrance a bit. It's like giving your colors a little energy drink. They become more lively, but still look natural. And here's a little tip I learned. When adjusting colors, less is more. You want your photos to look enhanced, not like they have been through a digital circus. Start with small adjustments and work your way up, and your eyes will tell you when it's just right. What I like about this adjustment feature is that you can experiment without fear. If you make a mistake, just hit the undo button to go one step backward. And because Canva is using the AI technology more and more inside their platform, it allows you to work with your photo even more. For example, there is a color edit mode at the bottom. It automatically picks out the main colors in your image and lets you tweak them individually. It's a really useful feature that can save you tons of time. So, as you can see, using the manual adjustment for your photos or images is simple now in Canva. And even if you learn just few tricks, it can improve the quality of editing significantly. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply